now go, no one's here. Yeah, let him go behind that car. One more approaching white one.
Yeah.
Okay, now alongside with white car, we'll leave one door width away, which is safe distance. More to this side. Yeah. Now do it. Very slow speed. Remember your grandma pace with this as well. If you go fast, then you miss your position. This car behind. If you see any car next to your car, just slow down and stop. Because you're steering and you're not moving. This is the your steering wheel is very like. You need to go back when you see his wheel. That's the safe distance. This is not safe. Okay, now park the car. Now move off whenever you're ready.
Yeah.
Everything is fine, but you struggle with this for no reason. Maybe next station we'll practice this, okay? Your bay parking is fine, only with parlor parking you need a little bit more help.
Yeah, I think I need to the measurement. Car measurement.
Okay.
I think I'm really good with parallel parking, but
you don't need to panic, like just do it with nice and slow. Just relax, calm yourself, and do it step by step with slow speed. If you go fast, then you go more to the left and right for no reason.